These are the bellwork answers for Friday, January 19th. On number 1, it says, write the equation passing through the given point, where x is 10 and y is 3 and the slope is 2. So we're going to use slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And we know what the y is for this one is 3. We know the slope is 2. We know the x is 10. And we don't know the b though. So we're going to get 3 equals 20 plus b. Subtract 20 from both sides. And we'll get negative 17 is b. So then we put that back into our slope-intercept form. We'll get y equals 2x minus 17. On number 2, it's asking, is the function linear or exponential? So we're going to look at the y values and see how they're changing. So we're going down. So we're subtracting 0.5 for this one, another 0.5 for this one, another 0.5, and another 0.5. So it's going down by a constant rate. Each time it's subtracting 0.5. So this function is linear. On number 3, it says solve by graphing x minus y equals 9. 3x plus 2y is equal to 2. So I'm going to use decimals to do this. First, I'm going to put it in standard form, so the y is first. So we're going to get y actually let's subtract x first. So we'll get negative y equal to 9 minus x. Then divide by negative 1. We'll get y is equal to negative or positive x minus 9. Okay, there's our first equation. On our second one, we're going to do 3x plus 2y equals 2. So I need to subtract 3x from both sides. And I'll get 2y equals negative 3x minus or plus 2. Then divide by 2. And we will get y equals negative 3 halves x, 3 halves times x, plus 1. Okay, then go to decimals and graph both of those and see where they cross. And where they cross is where x is 4 and y is negative 5. So we're going to get 4 and negative 5 for the solutions. On number 4, it's saying what term is being described. Blank is part of a line that consists of one endpoint and all the points of the line on one side of the endpoint. So let's try drawing a picture of that. So we have an endpoint and then all points on one side. So it goes like this forever. And that picture looks like a ray to me, so it is a ray. On number 5, it says describe the correlation. So we're going to want to graph this. It's a scatter plot and see what kind of pattern we get. I have negative 2 and 4. I have negative 1 and 2. I have 0 and 1. I have 1 and negative 2. 2 and negative 1. And 3 and negative 2. Okay, and if we look at that, they're all kind of grouped together and they're going in this direction. So that is a negative correlation. Negative correlation.